How to change DNS on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Wi-Fi as shown. You are now in the Wi-Fi settings page. Tap on the information icon on the right side of any network you wish to change DNS on. Then keep scrolling down until you find and tap on Configure DNS. By default, this is set to automatic. Change the settings to manual. Below, more options will appear, and from here tap on Add Server. You will notice a red minus icon with a text field. To remove the existing DNS server, here you can enter the new DNS server address you want to use. Once you're done, tap on Save at the top right corner to apply the changes. Following these steps, you can easily change the DNS on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.